Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today, we are diving deep into the legendary Yamaha XS650, a motorcycle that has stood the test of time and continues to capture the hearts of riders and enthusiasts worldwide. Known for its classic design, robust engine, and smooth handling, the Yamaha XS650 is more than just a bike. It's an experience, a symbol of freedom on two wheels. The Yamaha XS650 first made its mark in the late 1960s and quickly became popular due to its reliable performance and timeless styling. Even in 2025, this bike remains a favorite among vintage motorcycle collectors and custom bike builders. One of the most remarkable features of the XS650 is its 654cc, air-cooled, parallel twin engine. It delivers an impressive balance of power and smoothness, making it perfect for both city commuting and long-distance cruising. Riders love the crisp throttle response, the deep exhaust note, and the overall mechanical simplicity that makes it easy to maintain and modify. The design of the XS650 is a perfect blend of classic and modern aesthetics. Its retro round headlamp, chrome accents, and minimalistic frame give it a clean, timeless look. The bike's ergonomics are comfortable, with a relaxed seating position, wide handlebars, and a well-cushioned seat that makes longer rides enjoyable. The fuel tank has a classic teardrop shape, and its polished finish adds a premium feel to the motorcycle. Whether you are a fan of cafe racers, bobbers, or scramblers, the X650 serves as an ideal platform for customization. When it comes to handling, the Yamaha X650 is surprisingly agile. Its lightweight chassis, coupled with responsive suspension, ensures a smooth and stable ride on both straight roads and winding curves. The braking system, while simple, offers reliable stopping power, and the bike's balance makes it intuitive for both beginners and experienced riders. Many riders appreciate the X650 for its low-maintenance nature, thanks to its straightforward mechanical design and durable components. One of the reasons this motorcycle remains so popular is the strong aftermarket support. From performance upgrades to cosmetic enhancements, there is a wide range of parts available for those who want to personalize their X650. Custom exhausts, upgraded suspension, stylish seats, and modern lighting options allow riders to transform this classic machine into a unique masterpiece. Watching this video, you'll see why the Yamaha X650 is not just a bike but a statement of style, engineering, and passion. Whether you are a vintage motorcycle enthusiast, a beginner looking for a reliable ride, or someone who loves custom builds, the Yamaha X650 has something to offer. Its legendary engine, classic design, and versatile performance make it a motorcycle that appeals to all types of riders. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its engine performance, build quality, design details, and customization potential. You'll get a full tour of the bike, including its starting procedure, riding experience, and unique features that set it apart from other motorcycles in its class. Stay tuned as we explore how the Yamaha X650 combines classic engineering with modern riding enjoyment. This bike is a tribute to the golden era of motorcycling, yet it remains relevant in 2025 due to its reliability, charm, and endless customization possibilities. From smooth rides in the city to long countryside journeys, the X650 proves to be a versatile and enjoyable motorcycle for all occasions. If you're passionate about motorcycles, love classic designs, or are curious about the Yamaha X650, this video is a must-watch. You'll gain insights into why this bike has remained a favorite for decades and why it continues to inspire riders and builders around the world. Don't miss the chance to see the Yamaha X650 in action, experience its engine roar, and appreciate the beauty of a timeless classic brought to life in 2025. Thank you for watching, and as always, we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep riding, keep exploring, and stay tuned to Autoland 2025 for more incredible motorcycles, reviews, and exciting content from the world of bikes.